Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Audio-Technica ATH-SQ1TW wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case you're having issues with these earbuds not syncing or not pairing with your phone or other device or not connecting to Bluetooth. Or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, so only one earbud is working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is just, for whatever reason where you just want to set them up like they're brand new and have them forget all the previously paired devices and everything like that. It's real easy. We're just going to put them in the case as shown here and wait at least 5 seconds. And then we're just going to come in and do a double tap on the back of sensors, on the sensors on the back of both earbuds. Tap, tap. And then once the indicator lights on both of the headsets on both earbuds start to flash white, then we're going to go in for a third touch, but this time we're going to hold. So we're going to tap, tap, wait for flash white, and then hold, touch and hold for about 6 seconds. And then once the lights both go into red, light up in red, that means the reset is now complete. We can take our fingers off, then we can go ahead and remove them from the case, then we can go ahead and go into the phone or whatever we've had them paired with in the past. Make sure we delete the old version off because we're going to pair these as a new set of headphones.